Okay, so now we're at Chicago O'Hare, aka Chicago O'Scare. I have about a 30-minute layover, and yeah, I think we're going out of gate B11, if I'm not correct. Just arrived in from gate C17 in from Portland on the 737-900. So definitely go check that trip report out. I feel like I was just here because the last two videos were from Chicago O'Hare, so we're back under the tunnel to get to the other terminal, or concourse, to get to concourse B. This is Terminal 1, I think. Both of these concourses are Terminal 1. I'm not sure. I don't know this airport very well, but yeah, so let's head to the gate. Boarding is in about 30 minutes.
Airlines Flight 2419 with service to Newark. We're happy that you're flying with us this evening. This is an afternoon full flight heading over to Newark. With talking to the overhead bin space will be limited. We ask that you reserve the overhead bin space for your roller bag only. Please place your small items such as your backpack, purses, jackets, etc. underneath the seat in front of you. Just be sure they fit completely underneath the seat. Keep the air on your feet clear. For everyone facing to the overhead compartment. And once you do find your seat, please step into your row to allow those behind you.
અગર ચેન્જ કરવાનું હોય તને તો જે દરવાજો છે મેઇન ડોર એને અગર તું પેન્ટ
Regulations require you to follow these. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen.
And we're back in Jersey. So I'll be flying home in a week, direct, and on Alaska in economy on their Boeing 737-900. So that's most likely going to be the next trip report. So yeah, until then, thanks for coming along.